make snow angels. You're never too old to join in the fun. A 99-year-old woman helped Bismarck, North Dakota recapture a snow angel making world record. You will need snow, waterproof clothes, a hat, and gloves or mittens. Optional, a friend. Step 1. Pick a clear spot in the snow as tall as your body and as wide as your outstretched arms. Fresh powder works best. Make a snow angel right after a storm when the snow is untouched. Step 2. Carefully fall backward onto the snow with your arms outstretched. Step 3. Move your arms and legs back and forth like you're doing jumping jacks. Step 4. Press your head back enough to make a clear indentation. Step 5. Get up carefully so you don't wreck your masterpiece. For best results, have a friend help you up. Did you know, in 2002, 1,791 people in Bismarck, North Dakota made snow angels on the state capitol grounds.
How to have a snowball fight. Snowballs can be hard or full of ice and in many cases very damaging upon impact. Avoid getting hit in the face. Sun Tzu said, "Let your great object be victory, not lengthy campaigns." That goes double for snowball fights because, hey, it's cold outside. You will need winter clothing, ample packable snow, and at least one other person. Optional, snow fort or something to hide behind like a statue or garbage can. Step 1. Find some snow that can be made into good, sturdy snowballs. Wet snow is best. Step 2. Form a snowball by grabbing a bunch of snow in your 2 hands and squeezing it together to form a ball. Round the edges off to form a good 3-inch diameter sphere. A little heat will help melt the snow into a firm ball, so breathe into your hands as you form them. Step 3. Make a bunch of snowballs. Stockpile them near you or in a fort. Snowballs made with ice, rocks, and other hard objects are considered very unsportsmanlike and can be incredibly dangerous. Step 4. Find your target. Throw a snowball at them when they least expect it. The element of surprise is crucial, especially if they're bigger or can throw harder. Step 5. Keep throwing to disorient your opponent and to make a counterstrike difficult to execute. Don't completely deplete your arsenal before making new snowballs, or else you'll be vulnerable to attack. Step 6. Continue until your opponent lies broken before you, or at least mildly irritated. Did you know 3,745 students in Michigan Technological University set the world record for the largest snowball fight on February 10th, 2006. How to make a snowman. There's no wrong way to make a snowman, but there are a few tips to prevent him from looking like a snow monster. You will need snow, warm winter clothes, sticks and branches, a carrot, buttons or charcoal, and a little imagination. Step 1. Wait for the snow to settle. It should be packing snow, not fresh powder. If you can make a decent snowball that stays intact in flight, the snow is ready. Step 2. Using gloved hands, gather snow and form it into a ball. Continue adding snow to the ball until it's too large to hold. Step 3. Slowly roll the ball away from you, letting snow accumulate on the outside of the ball. Continue packing the new snow onto the ball with your hands. Step 4. When the ball reaches the size that you want for the base, move the ball to wherever you want your snowman to stand. Step 5. Make another ball of snow and build it up like you did the first. This ball should end up slightly smaller than the first one. Step 6. Place the second ball on top of the first. If the second ball won't stay on top, pack snow between the 2 balls, or push a long stick into the first snowball and slide the second one onto the stick. Step 7. Create a third ball and place it on top of the first 2. Now you have your basic snowman. Step 8. Give your snowman arms with sticks or branches. Step 9. Make a face using a carrot for a nose and buttons or charcoal for the eyes and mouth. Step 10. Customize with whatever you choose to give your snowman personality. Did you know? According to the song, Frosty the Snowman had a button nose, but many depictions of him show a carrot.
How to turn your house into a winter wonderland. Frolic and play indoors the Eskimo way by turning your home into a winter wonderland. You will need a Christmas tree, cans of spray snow, clear Christmas lights, white, glass, and silver ornaments, various winter decorations, silver bells, pine cones, silver or white candles, candle holders, crystal frost, snowflake gossamer, empty boxes, white wrapping paper, and ribbon. Step 1. Spray a Christmas tree with fake snow and string clear lights around it. Decorate the tree with white, glass, and silver ornaments, icicles, and snowflakes. Add garlands of white, silver, or pale blue ribbon. Step 2. Bring the tree to life by putting decorative red berries, birds, and bird nests in the branches. Add additional Christmas trees around your house to make an enchanted forest. Step 3. Lay a white tablecloth across your table and add small decorations like doves, silver bells, or pine cones. Add light with white or silver candles in candle holders and spray the holders with crystal frost. Invest in a nice centerpiece for the table that can be used year after year. Step 4. Cover the walls of your house with a snowflake gossamer. Step 5. Use green garland as curtain tiebacks, draping it on the tops of windows and across the table. Step 6. Wrap empty boxes with white paper and coordinating color ribbons and place them around your house. Step 7. Place a cutout snowman by the door of your house to greet your guests and welcome them into your winter wonderland. Did you know? With a selection of over 500,000 trims and gifts, Bronner's in Frankenmuth, Michigan is the world's largest Christmas store.
How to turn your yard into a winter wonderland. Winter drags on cold, bleak, and gray, unless you punch up your house's decor with some color, fun, and seasonal cheer. You will need snowmen, painted wooden cards, lights, wrapped boxes, ribbon, candy canes, wooden soldiers, Brayfrost, a Santa and reindeer, pine cones, and a homemade ice rink. Step 1. Create snowmen complete with hats, carrots, and button eyes shaped in an attitude of welcome. Turn them into a choir clustered around one another with painted wooden cards meant to look like sheet music, as if singing to the neighbors. Step 2. Trim the home in lights. Line the driveway and porch with brightly wrapped oversized packages, candy canes, and wooden soldiers. Run bright, cheery wide ribbon over the snow-covered shrubs. Step 3. Decorate windows with spray frost effects or bright happy phrases, stickers, or faces. Place candles in each window that shimmer on the snow at night. Step 4. Transform the yard into a winter wonderland by erecting an inflatable Santa and animated reindeer with lights. Dramatize the scene with floodlights. Step 5. Festoon the trees, bushes, and hedges with lights. Add berries or pine cones and evergreen wreaths with bright bows on the door or a fence. During the spring, add garden plants such as dogwoods, holly, or hemlocks to start building a winter landscape look later that year. Step 6. Save and use yard bushes, tree branches, and ornamental grasses, along with dried heather or coneflowers. They enhance the front of the house during the winter. Vary the colors, shapes, and textures to create interest. Step 7. Flood the backyard and make a skating rink for family and friends to enjoy. Pipe in music and invite friends and family over to add to the festive spirit of the season. Did you know? The ancient Mesopotamians held a 12-day festival on the winter solstice to honor the god Marduk's conquest of the monsters of chaos.